Welcome back to Quiz Wizard. 30-question math quiz script with options each, and each question has the correct answer included. What is 3 plus 4? 6, 7, 5. Correct is 7. How much is 6 minus 2? 4. 5, 3. Correct is 4. What is 5 plus 5? 9. 10, 8. Correct is 10. How much is 8 minus 3? 6, 5, 4. Correct is 5. What is 2 plus 7? 8, 9, 10. Correct is 9. How much is 9 minus 4? 3, 5, 6. Correct is 5. What is 1 plus 6? 6, 8, 7. Correct is 7. How much is 10 minus 8? 1, 3, 2. Correct is 2. What is 4 plus 4? 7, 8, 9. Correct is 8. How much is 7 minus 5? 1, 3, 2. Correct is 2. What is 3 plus 6? 8, 9, 7. Correct is 9. How much is 8 minus 6? 1, 4, 2. Correct is 2. What is 5 plus 3? 7, 9, 8. Correct is 8. How much is 9 minus 7? 3, 2, 1. Correct is 2. What is 6 plus 2? 7, 9, 8. Correct is 8. How much is 10 minus 3? 8, 7, 9. Correct is 7. What is 1 plus 8? 9, 7, 8. Correct is 9. How much is 5 minus 1? 3, 4, 2. Correct is 4. What is 2 plus 5? 6, 8, 7. Correct is 7. How much is 7 minus 2? 4, 6, 5. Correct is 5. What is 4 plus 5? 9, 8, 10. Correct is 9. How much is 6 minus 3? 2, 3, 4. Correct is 3. What is 3 plus 5? 7, 9, 8. Correct is 8. How much is 8 minus 5? 2, 4, 3. Correct is 3. What is 2 plus 6? 7, 9, 8. Correct is 8. How much is 9 minus 6? 4, 2, 3. Correct is 3. What is 1 plus 4? 4, 5, 6. Correct is 5. How much is 10 minus 9? 1, 2, 0. Correct is 1. What is 4 plus 3? 8, 7, 6. Correct is 7. How much is a 6 minus 1? 4, 5, 6. Correct is 5.